I got the inner part of the doorpost is all welded in. Then I got the lower rocker is almost completely welded in. But it's getting there. As far as getting it to line up, you can see it lines up with my mark now. The black marker that I traced around it. It lines up to that. I assumed that flattening all the spot welds on the panels would do it. I did that and I still couldn't cover that distance. So I kept messing with it, and this corner, I guess it depends on the assembly line, whichever one. On the convertible, it's more flat right here at the corner. It doesn't really, it's not too distorted. But on my car, the factory, you can see how it bulges out right there. And that bulge out was enough to make it to where I couldn't get this to line back up. So I didn't want to hammer this in because I figured it'd probably just go south from there. So I left the rocker alone, and I ended up reshaping this corner, hammer it in, and then flattening it out, just trying to get it to where it would curve and kind of stretch to fit around that. I didn't beat it with the rocker in place. I kind of went to the vise, flattened it out, came back out here, kind of messed with it from there. So it took a couple tries, but I got it for the most part to work. And then when I test fitted it, it lined up, and so I ended up just kind of putting it all together from there. It really doesn't look too bad. I did all the spot welds all along the front of it. The tab that's supposed to be up there, I end up just cutting it off. It doesn't do anything. So I cut that off. Then there's the inside of it. It's all done. I have the bracket for the kick panel is welded in there. I have to do a seam sealer on the seam. But I cleaned everything up, and then I painted everything. I just masked off where I knew I was going to weld. This bracket right here, the bottom half of it for 2.5 inches was all rusted away. So I ended up just cutting it off with a convertible piece and welding this in. I didn't worry about the weld being perfect. You're not going to see it, so I didn't get real crazy with grinding it down. And then adjusting this and welding this on there, welding it up through there. So everything is welded in. And I got the tabs down there is bent to fit. But it all pretty much just lined perfectly up. I didn't have to bend anything. You really shouldn't have to bend anything to get it. I mean, all the pieces are exactly the same. So you shouldn't have to bend stuff. Maybe modify, straighten stuff out, but you shouldn't have to do anything from a factory design to make the piece fit. If it isn't fitting, then obviously something is wrong. Just like what I just pointed out on the rocker with that bulge. Instead of bending stuff, if I would have bent stuff, I probably still would have had an issue, and then I'm just creating a bigger problem than what it was. So just kind of going over how everything is put together, comparing pieces. It's kind of, it might take a little bit, but you find the issue of what's holding it up. And you can see in the other video that the distance I needed to cover wasn't real big, but it was still enough to where it's going to throw the door off. So just that little nub that was on the front of that outer rocker panel was holding me up. So kind of just go over your pieces, and then once I got it all lined up and I was happy with how the inner matched the outer and how it matched, both of them matched up to the rocker, how the rocker fitted back on originally, then I drilled a couple more screws all throughout and then screwed everything together so I knew where it was. and where it needed to go. And then I took it all back apart, and I started with the inner piece. I did the welds on the inside first, and then I fixed that top inner section, and then test fitted this outer piece. Finally welded the inner piece to that inner small 2.5-inch section that I added back in. Once I got that done, this went back on, made sure, and then I did the spot welds up along here, verified my measurements, and then I took this back off, put the outer rocker on, put that back on. I slowly tacked it. And the easiest way to get this lined up, I mean, I'm barely going to have to put any kind of body filler, it's almost perfect, was before doing all the spot welds on the bottom of it, I left it so I could twist it in and out, and then I just tacked it, twisted it, brought it up to where these two were the same height, tacked it, same thing, and just working my way all the way down. So now I'm down to the bottom of it, but I think I'm done for the day. So when I come back, I can take the screwdriver, kind of push out and pull in because I'm just a little bit off on the bottom, and then I can tack it and then just keep welding it as I go. And then once I have that completely welded, then I can fill in the spot welds. If you do the spot welds first, trying to get that to line up is going to be almost impossible. You don't have any leverage other than taking a screwdriver, stick it in the gap, and then it's going to go south from there. But it's getting there. So once I get this cleaned up and fixed and welded on there, then I can start doing the top of it. That's what it looks like. It's getting there. That's it.